Hello, today we will guide you through how to add items to cart on eBay. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find an item you want and place it in your cart so it's ready whenever you decide to check out. Start by opening your web browser and going to ebay.com, the eBay homepage. This is where you can browse millions of listings across categories like electronics, fashion, collectibles, and more. If you already have an account and you're signed in, your cart will be saved to your profile, which makes it easy to pick up where you left off on any device. At the top of the homepage, look for the search bar that stretches across the header. This is your quickest path to the right item. Click inside the search bar and type what you're looking for. For example, you could enter watch or a more specific model name to narrow your results. Then run the search using the search icon next to the bar. You'll land on a results page that you can refine by price, condition, brand, buying format, and other filters if you want to zero in on exactly what you need. From your search results, choose a listing that looks right for you by clicking the item's title or image. This opens the product page where you can review all the important details before adding it to your cart. Take a moment to scan the condition description, shipping options and costs, estimated delivery dates, return policy, and seller feedback score. If the item has variations, like size, color, or style, make sure you select the option that matches what you want. When you're comfortable with the listing, look for the Add to Cart button on the page. Before clicking, double-check the quantity field and adjust it if you need more than one. If any required selections are missing, eBay will prompt you to choose them. Now click Add to Cart. You'll usually see a confirmation letting you know the item has been added successfully. Next, click See in Cart to view your shopping cart. This page shows the item you just added, the selected quantity and variations, the subtotal, and any shipping or tax estimates based on your location. Confirm everything looks correct. If you're still shopping, you can return to your search results or the home page to add more items the same way. When you're finished, your items will be waiting in your cart, ready for checkout whenever you are. That's it. Your item is now added to your eBay cart and ready to go.